Well, welcome back to the Dynodaze video. As you can see, it's not an EP3, it's actually an EP2, but it has been it's been K-swapped, so it's time for us to tune her up, see what we get. Let's do this.
Well, that sounded immense.
I think I want to start with, as you can see from the hats, that it's now gone cold. So here in Nuneaton it is.
I've been cold since July, mate.
Well, yeah, obviously he's in anything below 20, and he's obviously freezing. But obviously, for those of you that are in the UK, know that obviously it started to snow this week.
I'm gonna have to grow a great big homeless beard again.
Yeah, I'm going with I'm not having a shave now till it's back above 10 degrees.
I like it. What about your ball sack?
I might leave that as well. Keep a bit of extra warmth in.
It only velcros against my beard anyway.
Yeah.
Yes, EP2 K-swap. Yeah, the customer's had a few problems in the past building this. He's had a few mishaps, but he's got it to a point now where it can be tuned. It came in on a base map.
It came in on a K100 with a base map, didn't it? It was only revving out.
Hey, you like K100s?
I do love K100s. Yeah, they're my favourite. If everyone could buy one and ring up and book in, and I could map it, that'd be great. Yeah, so obviously map on a K100. It was limited to
6.5
for some reason. I don't know why. But as everyone knows, if you know about a K Pro, you can't read anything off it. K100, sorry, you can't read anything off it anyway. So there's no way of knowing what was going on there. So you're starting again regardless anyway. So fitted the K Pro version 4 board, which is obviously how you tune a K100. Tune the car, obviously, send the files to the ECU, and then put the K100 board back in again. So that's what we've done. I think this car's got minimal mods, really, if I'm honest.
I think it's done well.
It's got original inlet manifold. It's just got like a homebrew induction kit, and I assume it's got a 4-to-1 manifold and a Decat on it. 4-to-1 manifold, sorry, Decat, and then some sort of exhaust on there. I don't know, couldn't tell you what it was. Doesn't look like a common one that we see.
Oh, excuse me, I'm going into hibernation mode.
Yeah, so it's minimal mods, as I would call it. I think what did we finish on? 220.
220.
Yeah, 220. So I think there's obviously more to be added there. You know what I mean? Obviously with more mods, but from the point of view of this was originally an EP2 and now it's got an EP3 engine in it, I'm sure that'll feel fantastic.
And with the fact that it had a base map limited to 6.5, he's gonna enjoy this weekend in this car.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, loads more power, loads more revs.
Yeah, he's gonna be driving this around like his hair's on fire.
I would imagine that's exactly what it'd be doing.
Fantastic car. Good to see people moving forward with their cars. You know, EP2, EP3 shells. You know, they're getting old and ropey. And if you've got a good EP2 shell, it sort of does make sense
to transfer the stuff into
yeah,
it, don't
yeah,
it?
Absolutely. So I absolutely love this, and loads of respect to the guy for doing it. And yeah, let's look at the graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it.
Well, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. He's going to have loads and loads of fun with that. Finishing on, I'm calling that 220, which is, yeah, fantastic. And again, like I say, respect to the owner for doing the conversion. It's a cool car. It's going to be loads of fun. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We'll do. Indeed.
We will indeed. Peace out.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.